Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to add ChatGPT in WhatsApp. The first thing you need to do is, of course, open up your WhatsApp application. Should be looking like this one. Go straight to add a contact by clicking the plus icon right there. By clicking on it, go to new contact. And right here, first name it ChatGPT right there so you won't be confused on your contacts. Now here's come the tricky part. Make sure your country is going to be on United States because the number is going to be +1, which is the area code. And then 1-800 for ChatGPT, and then 242, and then 8478. Basically, that being said, this should be the number to connect ChatGPT on your WhatsApp devices. And basically for this one, simply click on done, and then you have successfully added ChatGPT on your WhatsApp application. You're gonna message him or her or it and just basically ask anything you want. And that's how powerful AI is right now. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.